Some would say, I'm an ass kisser now. No, in life is like that. Some you have time, you have friends, you have sister, you have brother, and you have a lot of family that you fall out with. But deep in your heart, you don't hate them. So that doesn't mean you're an ass kisser because you're being a real person. You know what I mean? You got to be real sometimes in life. And whatever it bring. But we are also in social media. Big up on yourself. Big up yourself, Gully Bob. Me see you over so a fried pork. Yeah, fry the big piece of pork there, brother. Me hear say you can suck and push here like your pump tire. Me hear say you're great. Hallelujah. Good afternoon, my friend, and big up yourself. Me love your music. Da 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 da. You know, me like that one there. And big up on yourself. Me see what you have fried pork, baby. Me say, boy, me hear say the cocky now work, but the cocky must here work because the pork slice them big. It's a big piece of meat you go fry. Yes, baby. And anything you do in life, people gonna talk. And they're gonna talk. And you let them talk until them drop dead. But be who you are. And don't try to be someone else you're not. Just try and be yourself. And I'm happy to be myself and being who I am. And I will say big up. Feeling great today. And we have no time for haters. Because haters stay for laters. And they are in the back of the line. And we say what we want because we're not afraid of people. We don't kiss ass. We don't suck ass. But we are truthful in our heart. And some of them bad mind and grudgeful and heartless. But we're not heartless. We have love in our heart. And we always going to for love and forgive. We don't care who want to cuss me out. We don't have to cuss nobody. I mean, I cuss nobody. If they want to cuss me down to my drawers, cuss me down. I don't have to cuss nobody. Because cussing can't put me in a better. You know, make me cuss today. I'm going to go back and say, me sorry, me cuss tomorrow. I'm really like them sitting there. So, me not go do it. Me sorry, me not go do it. Somebody go and talk and go and suck me through no teeth. Me not go do it. But Gully Bop, you want to fry big pork though. They slice them fat, baba. You up the boy, your mouth a run and a mash. And the food a go long down your throat, boy. The slice of pork, remember when my mother used to make pot roast pork on Sunday. And she used to have the big piece them like that. And she used to pot roast them. Yeah, man, it used to nice. But then she did stop eat pork after a while. She said it no good. Yeah. But yeah, man, the pork look nice, Gully. I mean, know you can't season. Because you're the girl, them seasoning. One thing, me never like do a Gully. Me go tell you the truth. Me know what you talk about no woman pussy full of shit. And stink of shit. Me not like that because me a woman myself. But you know me a your fan and me love you. But cut out them part there, you hear? Cut out that part there. Woman a woman, a member. When you da swipe your tongue through the pum pum like them say like a credit card. I mean here say when you have suck and you puff and you have one where you blow the ear up in eye and the woman have an instant orgasm. Me yes, so the woman come fly till the skirt like when water come out a pipe and you put your hand over the full force or over hose as so she has squirt. And she said she missed those days, you know. She missed those days tenderly. But when me and the father from me tell her, I say, when you're gone, nobody make no problem and worries. Keep yourself quiet, never talk to no man. I'm going to give you the advice so that me can follow, but me was right because you still did one thing called swipe the clitoris. But anyway, child, not all loss is gone. Just keep praying. And one day, like you pray for the cocky will rise, the tongue will come back in a all one piece. Hate and bad mind, me go taught the things them. Me was born to taught the things them, and I will forever taught the things them. And go drop on yourself in a big batty hole. Big batty hole, yes, like old toilet pit. And head we and drowned in a shit. Who know we can't tap me off the rise when I rise, people have to talk. So you shall continue rising and rising and rising and rising like white rice to bumbo cloth when I put in mackerel on the top. So we're not going to stop here and there and swear we are who we are and we can't change. Asylum maddos don't reject me. So if them don't want me, what the fuck me I go? Hello and good afternoon. Hello and good afternoon. Welcome to my pretty little nasty world. Welcome welcome to my godly word and welcome me being myself and who I am, and you don't like it, stuck a donkey cocky down your throat or a ass throat, that ass cocky down your throat or a donkey cocky down your throat. Stuck it down your throat and don't breathe. I know, but I can't go on, cause someone want go on like on this and innocent and that. I want come talk and I suck and cocky down on the throat like asthma pump. Like a asthma pump. Like a asthma pump. And cocky a drip down on the throat like a asthma. Asthma pump for no breathe. When like sit down pump people blood clot name like when I want a asthma pump. But instead of cocky on the throat, when I can't breathe, you can't mind no business. I run come talk. Me not have to kiss nobody ass bitch. Me is not a kiss ass. I'm a pure naturalist and a true hearted person. God suck your mother and suck pan donkey throat. I suck by your man. I suck your ass up and breathe bitch. Try to take a time to breathe and don't choke like you like you need a asthma pump. Cock in your throat like a asthma like you need a asthma pump.